Entering the stock market is easy, but sustaining and making a profit out of it is all about discipline backed by the right knowledge. But how can one be sure of their decision? Amidst market fluctuations, how can you accurately anticipate whether the price of the stock is going to rise or going to fall? The answer lies in learning the skill of analyzing candlesticks and the patterns they form. Just as it is important to know your alphabets before constructing a sentence, it is important to understand candlesticks and the patterns they form to accurately read charts and analyze a stock. So we can say that candlesticks are the ABCD of technical analysis. They are a direct result of repetitive human behavior over the years, as in a given situation, people tend to behave in a similar manner. By understanding candlestick patterns, we get trade confirmations, on which we would have otherwise considered a mere prediction. With this powerful tool, we can be rest assured that our decisions are backed with a strong analysis of patterns and price reactions formed over time. In the MTS course of candlestick patterns, we will be exploring all the types, from the single candlestick patterns to the double candlestick patterns to the three candlestick patterns, all of which are confirmatory tools. We are excited to introduce a meticulously curated and detailed course using state-of-the-art technology that offers an in-depth understanding of technical analysis. Our course includes actual case studies and examples which will help you understand and implement these techniques very effectively. We also provide you with your own dedicated student portal where you will have access to not only the course content but also ebooks for every topic, along with few other tools which will be great reference material to improve your understanding. We believe that a thorough understanding of the course is very critical for your success. That is why we have included quizzes after every topic to evaluate your understanding and to ensure that you're on the right track. We also offer query solving to ensure that all your doubts and questions are resolved promptly. Our expert team is always ready to assist you and provide you the necessary guidance throughout the course. So enroll now and be on your way to becoming a master of candlesticks.